how to manifest material success and wealth into your life by repeating these 2 words. Hello, welcome. My name is Gareth Flick. In today's video, I want to share with you the most powerful thing I have come across that is absolutely making profound changes in my life. And it's so simple. And that is repeating the words success and wealth. Success, wealth, success, wealth. In my mind, each day when I wake up, I repeat it. Throughout the day, I'll repeat it. Before I go to bed, I repeat it. I make myself really feel it, like success, wealth, success, wealth. And why is this working so well? Because it's building a conscious state of success and wealth. There's no inner conflict. I'm not saying I am successful, I am wealthy, which can potentially create inner conflict, which can cause even like more disruption, the opposite of what you want, which I've experienced in the past. But now, for a month, I've just been practicing this success, wealth, and my business is drastically growing. I have got people just coming out of nowhere wanting to work with me. I run social media marketing adverts for businesses. And just in the last month alone, I've signed on like 3 to 4, and I have more people coming to me asking, and then they're referring me to friends. Success, wealth, my investments are booming, more wealth. There's different streams of income coming to me. I'm just getting success in all my areas of my life. And this, I put it down, like I do a lot of different things, but just repeating success and wealth, or success, wealth, confidence now, confidence, so I can be confident in my success and my wealth. And I tell you, I can't like express this enough. It is so powerful. It is so powerful. This, I learned it from The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joeseph Murphy. And I was like, oh, cool, let's give it a go. And what it's doing is imprinting on your unconscious mind the thoughts and feelings of success and wealth. And what's impressed on the unconscious mind gets projected into your reality and comes back to you as situations, circumstances, people, and events. And this is me. I've tested it. I'm testing it, and it's just working so well. I'm getting more creative ideas. I'm feeling much more confident. I'm sitting there very calm and collected in meetings with people, big people, and I'm sitting there, even when I'm sitting there, I'll be repeating like success, wealth, confidence. I'm not just dead zombie saying it, I'm feeling it. Success, wealth. And what I'm noticing is more ideas are coming to my head of how to create different streams of income, or how I can be of better service to people, to help people. And I just want to express it. It's amazing. I've been having the most successes writing down, like or repeating single words. So there's no inner conflict within, because if you create inner conflict within, it's going to create inner conflict without. The outer world's a projection of the inner, your inner states. So if we're just repeating success, wealth, success, wealth, it's impressing that on the subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind rules 99% of our life. We're just conscious of what we're doing, but there's so much, we're like a computer, right? There's so much going on in the background of my laptop right now that I have no idea, that all the drivers, and what's impressed is driving your life. So if we can impress it with success and wealth, we don't need to know how we're going to be successful or wealthy. We can write down how we would like to, and then apply it into that area. But things are just coming in all around me. And I'm meeting new people who are introducing me to new people. I sign on a client, and in 3 days, he's just referred me to someone else because he's so happy with the results he's getting. So my clients are getting awesome results as well, because I have results in success-based consciousness. And if they're connected to me, they are connected to my conscious energy field. So they are in the consciousness of success and wealth. And the more I build that, their results and my results are going to get better and better. So it's like a win-win-win. Win for me, win for them, win for the world, because I only work with people that, it's helping others help themselves or whatnot. But yes, success, wealth, confidence, success, wealth, confidence. It's so powerful, and you start doing it. Start doing it. It's free. It's free to think, right? Why not think the best and the best report? Because that's what our future. If you want to know your future, just look at what you're thinking today. So if I'm thinking every day, just making a conscious effort to repeat the word success, wealth, that's getting projected into my future, which I'm going to experience in this reality, isn't it? I hope that makes sense. Success, wealth, success, wealth, health, confidence, health, confidence, success, wealth, health, confidence, success, health, wealth, confidence, love, 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 love. It might seem silly, but it's beautiful and it's really powerful. And yeah, hit the like, help people get a hold of this information. It does something to the algorithm. Subscribe, leave a comment. Let's see if we can get these subscriptions up. If if you watch me and you're not subscribed, just click it for free. Leave a like. I love you so much. Leave a comment. And I hope this really helps you. Please give it a try. Success, wealth, happiness, health, confidence, love, prosperity, abundance. Like, make a wee song about it, a wee meditation and dance. I might make a fun meditation for us. All right. Peace be on your soul. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow.